How could I not know this recipe? So healthy and affordable. In a bowl, add 2 eggs and start to whisk. Add 1½ cups of milk, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1½ cups of water. Stir well. Add 3½ cups of flour and keep mixing until smooth. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. We'd love to know. Cover the bowl with a cloth and leave the dough to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it will be grown. Add in the bowl as well 1 chopped onion, half of a chopped bell pepper, 1 grated potato, 1 chopped tomato, and 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It'll help us greatly. In a pan on medium heat, add a drizzle of oil and spread across. Now take a piece of the dough and put it in the pan, then spread it across the bottom. This recipe is easy to prepare, and it's ready in a few minutes. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. When the bottom part is cooked, flip it and keep cooking. And our recipe is done! Look how incredible it is! You can make a lot out of just 1 piece, and it tastes delicious. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!